The White Cat and the Naughty Mouse. Environmental heroes. In a lush green forest, a white cat with blue eyes always cared about nature. But a naughty white mouse littered the river and didn't care about the environment. One day, the cat saw the river full of trash and said to the mouse, "You're ruining nature." The mouse laughed and said, "So what? Someone else will clean it up." The cat and some forest friends, a squirrel and a turtle, decided to clean the river. When the mouse saw how fresh and beautiful it looked, he felt left out. Proudly, he stepped forward and said, "Fine, I'll help too, but only because I don't like dirt." From that day on, the mouse changed and became an environmental hero alongside the cat.